Did you know I could do magic? I can make all the bread and milk disappear. Watch. Hey, someone tell the weatherman it's about to snow. And we're back. In other news on shortages going around the world, Choate's air conditioning, heating, and plumbing positions are limited, and they are going fast. What's this? We just received the last application for Choate's air conditioning, heating, and plumbing. I want some of that!
Someone cut to the weather.
It's gonna snow.
Hey, you guys know that they can just print off another application, huh?
Whew. And there you have it. Choate's air conditioning, heating, and plumbing positions are limited. Hurry and apply now.